villains in the old school Disney movies were freaking creepy as hell, man. Especially Hades from Hercules. He's one of the best villains I've seen. I'm not gonna lie. He's menacing and freaking crazy. Oh, and Ursula. Ursula from the Little Mermaid. She's. Is it a Lion King?
After all,
Why don't you just get it yourself? You're sending this idiot. I don't know what he wants to go. Oh, it's a freaking trap. No wonder why.
my slumber.
Oh, this is so nice, man. The old school movies are a different level. Oh, there it is. Freaking idiot.